Hello everyone, I am Swapna and you are watching my channel Computer Basics. In this channel we are learning the computer fundamentals and basics for the primary childs. So in my last video I have told about the computer parts, the input devices, the output devices, the storage devices, the processing devices and some other devices. So in one of my video I have already explained about some input devices that you can get in my channel, so watch it. Then in this video we will learn about some output devices. So see, output devices. What is output device? The devices which shows the result after processing are called the output devices. Means by using the input devices, we are entering data inside the computer. After that, getting the input, it processes, then it shows the result as the output. About this processing device, I will explain or you will learn in my another video, in next video. So here we will discuss about some output devices. So see, so first one, monitor, monitor. So this is the most popular and the most important output device. So this is called monitor. This is exactly looks like a television screen. So that it is also called VDU. That means visual display unit. So the structure is exactly like the monitor screen. It is also called visual display unit. It shows the work whatever we've done in the computer or on the computer, that can show by the monitor. We can watch cartoon, sports and movies on this monitor. So whatever we are doing on the computer, this is the display unit, so that we can see on this monitor screen. This displays the data that we input as well as the result of work done by the computer. Whatever we are inputting by using this input device, that we can show by using this display unit, that is monitor, and after processing whatever we get as the result or output, we can show that one also on this monitor screen. So the front part of this monitor is called its screen, the display screen. It displays both the text and the pictures. Here we can see the images, graphics and the texts, that means letters. Nowadays plasma monitors and LCD monitors are available in the market. This one is the LCD monitor. So in schools, in computer lab also, you can find this type of monitor screen, that can be either of LCD screen or plasma. That one type of monitor found before, that is CRT, that one old model TV type. So that one we are not using nowadays. So nowadays we are using the LCD monitor or the plasma monitor. So these two types of monitors are available now in the market. So this is the main popular output device. The next output device is printer. 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 This is used to print the text and the pictures on the paper. See, here is the paper and here the text and pictures are printed. So this printer is used to print the text and the pictures on the paper. The printout paper is called hard copy. This type of paper what we get from this printer, that is called hard copy. So different types of and different various companies have the printer machine. That this is the printer machine which is used to get the paper output or output as a hard copy. So it is used to print, or it used to give the output for the text and pictures on a paper. So this is the another important output device. Then the next output device is speakers. So these speakers you can use, or you have already using in your home and in schools, labs. So the speakers are used for listening. They are connected to the computer. They enable us to listen the sounds of games, musics, cartoons, movies, etc. Whatever sound or any music or anything we played in the computer, that sound we can hear from this speaker. This is connected through a wire to the computer. So by this we can hear the musics or the sounds of the computer loudly to everyone. So these are the output device, speakers. Then the next output device is headphone, H-E-A-D-P-H-O-N-E, headphone. This is used to listen to the recorded sounds, songs, voice recordings, etc. Okay, this can be worn over our ears to listen to the music. This is like our earphone we are using with the mobile phone. So these are exactly like the earphone, but earphone has the cables or wires. This has like clip style structure, head clip style structure. This can be worn over our ears to listen the music, voices and sounds. This provides music and sound to only the person who is wearing them. This is not loud to everyone. Who has worn this headphone, that person only can listen the music or voice or sound recordings. So this is another type of output device. So see here, you have learnt about some output devices. Those are popularly used in our day-to-day life. So in next video I will tell about some processing device and some other devices that are connected to the computer for different tasks. So please stay connected, stay tuned with my channel. You will learn more and more basics and fundamentals of the computer. If you found this video is useful for your child, then press the like button under this video and do subscribe my channel. Thanks everyone. Thanks for watching.